Meet and greet. Hey guys, what's up? Do let us know in the comments below, like what's up with you guys. Okay. So we have some super exciting news to share with you guys.
And she's going to do the cute part. I'm going to do the technical part. So let's get started with the cute part.
So we are going to be hosting a meetup.
It was supposed to be a meetup.
Okay, we're going to be hosting a meetup.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, this was just like, this never happened.
Basically, there is going to be a meetup of Delhi YouTubers, which will include Esther Loves Jewelry and
my happiness. Like, and you're not supposed to be like that. You said Esther Loves Jewelry and my happiness.
Yeah, whatever. So basically, if you want to meet us, all you have to do is there's going to be a link down below.
And if you fill in that link, the form you fill in that link, you will get to click photos with us, sit with us, let's chill like homies and everything.
Yeah, totally. So
she's gonna teach you all the technicalities now of that.
Okay, so firstly there are going to be 50 entries. So first 50 entries will get a confirmed email from our side. I'm sorry, we can only do 50 for now. We promise you the next time it will be better than that.
Yes.
But for now, 50 of you guys can meet us. The meetup will be on a Saturday. All the information of the date, the venue, everything
would be emailed to you once you fill in the form.
So basically, if you're selected, you will know where the meetup is.
But just for spoilers, it's in central Delhi near to metro station, so it will be accessible to everyone.
Actually, it's not the central Delhi, but it is.
Yeah, like you know.
Yeah, you know. Delhi is central Delhi.
Delhi is central Delhi. Yeah.
Exactly. So basically, are you guys excited to meet us?
Raise the roof.
Really excited. Yeah, like we are more excited than
you guys.
You guys are right now.
Because a lot of you guys like wanted to meet us, and you don't even know how much we want to meet you guys. Like this is we want to meet you guys.
We want to meet you guys. So if you want to get crazy together,
yes, like with us,
come on,
and not like in a bad way. Like just get crazy.
Yeah.
Let's get crazy till we see the sun.
Yeah.
I know we've only met, but let's pretend it's love. And never ever stop. Sorry.
So basically, she is not just a YouTuber; she's a perfect singer of all.
You don't even.
And we're gonna have a singing competition on. So basically, hit the subscribe button,
click the link down below, and fill the
register
form
yourself as soon as
possible, because you just have 1 week to do so.
Yeah.
So starting from today, you have till 2nd June 2015, 12 PM IST to register yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, that was a lot of technicality for me.
I know, man, and she did it at once,
like just
one shot and it's done.
Hey Shari, what you doing?
Okay, now she's gone crazy. Okay, so
literally, we guys are so excited to meet you guys.
I know.
We've planned for this for so long, and whenever we used to talk about it, we were always like, oh my God,
everybody used to be like, when are you meeting? When are you meeting? We're like,
so this,
hold your thoughts, hold your horses.
This is it.
Like this is it. You guys can meet us. You guys can meet to puppies.
Like, you know, if we say anything else, you'd be like, भाई इनसे कौन मिलेगा?
देख लो भैया, पागलपंती तो जरूरी है.
But yes, you're just looking like जरूरी है. देख लो. But yeah, it's okay guys. We'll just see you when we see you.
See you.
See you.
See you.
Bye.
Just bye. What are you going to wear?
See you.
Tell me. What are you wearing?
Acha.
What are you wearing?